This is a Kenmore 1813 sewing machine, and what I want to show here is that anytime your reverse, if you've got it, see, I've got it on the longest stitch length, 6, which is 6 stitches per inch, which is your basting stitch, the longest one this has available. This is the reverse lever. Notice how it's slowly moving back. As I'm cleaning the machine, this machine was completely froze up when my husband brought it home to me. But look in here. Let's see if my headlight can. Okay, that's your reverse mechanism. Once I take my hand off of the reverse lever, that should flip down immediately. It should not be a slow movement like that. That slow movement means it's still gummed up. So that needs more cleaning. This is one of the times when I do actually use a little bit of WD-40. I do WD-40. I put a little bit on this side. I don't think my camera is going to, down in here. Basically on each side of that, and then also where, boy, it's hard to get it in here, down basically at the pivot point. See that great big U joint there that the cam has to spin in? See that cam spins in it, and that's a big U joint. Basically down at the bottom of that has to be able to pivot well, and that's still too gummed up. That's part of what's putting the pressure. That's why I want you to run the motor on this one yet. As much as the rest of the machine is freed up, as long as you've got any parts that are still gummed up, that takes, more effort than it should, and you will burn up your motor if you don't free up the whole machine. So anyway, anytime that's moving too slow like that, it doesn't immediately flip back. It needs degummed. Clean it with alcohol. I usually use a Q-tip dipped in alcohol to clean all these parts out, but also, like I said, I use 1 shot of WD-40 in the really tight spots that I can't get in to clean out with the Q-tip and rubbing alcohol. But then I put WD-40. Then I put, after the WD-40, I put a drop of or 2 of Tri Flow, Tri Flow oil or sewing machine oil. I usually do Tri Flow when I'm freeing the machines up. Then I clean it up and put sewing machine oil in. You can leave Tri Flow oil in as your lubricant, but sewing machine oil will not stain your clothes like Tri Flow can. Anyway.